Hello guys. Hello. I hope you guys could hear me. Just let me know quickly if you guys could hear me, then we'll start. It's 2:14 right now in London time and it's 9:14 in New York time. This is a New York time right now. Today is Monday. Before we do anything, we have to come up in here to watch out any news. We have this today is 19th of Jan. Have nothing, bank holiday on US. And tomorrow we have annual meeting of what WEF. I don't know what is WEF. I will check that. And President Trump's speech as well at which will be 1:30 p.m. It will be 8:30 in New York time. So quite a bit of news coming up tomorrow. Sorry, it is this is on Wednesday. So tomorrow as well we have annual meeting and not really a big news as well. And Wednesday we have this news, Thursday we have this, Friday we have these news coming up. So today is a bank holiday. Today is Monday as well. I'm already anticipating a choppy session today. And I think it's one. And yeah, so a couple of things really want to discuss right now. Just want to keep an eye on 1 minute time frame. I'm a 5 or 1 minute time frame today. I can see right now because I really do look into market considering what is my edge, and that's it. So these are the things I really wanted to read before doing anything. Being in a right now moment, just trade your edge, roll up, roll down, invalid or valid bullish divergence, bearish divergence. No aggressive trade, no revenge trade, not chasing the top, not chasing the bottom. Stop that twice done for the day. Always take profit at close. Don't know which way market could go. Still trade one size. Just let the trade one. Miss trade. Not chasing the trade. Choppy session. Look for scalp. This is you can change. Never let your past define your right now trade. Just focus on being in a right now moment. Only 2 or 3 trades and not 5 or 3 trades. So last week we have been doing terrible mistakes. Whole week was chasing the market, revenge trading, aggressive trades. I was taking. So why I was doing this? The reason I realized that whenever I missed a couple of trades, after that I just tilted completely. It always happened to me. So couple of last week, couple of times we missed more than $1,000 trades, couple of trades, and then I missed those trades because there was aggressive trades. I should have to jump into the trade, or should have to be watch and observe. So we must continue to be watching and observing, and I feel like, oh, bro, I missed this trade. I was anticipating this, but could not be able to take this trade. Then the very next day, the very next station, I was like, bro, market is aggressive. You have to be taking aggressive trades. I was pushing the buttons aggressively all the time. Thank God, thankfully, I did not blow my account. I was At least I was putting my stop loss in. I was trading emotionally, really, but I thank God I have like control to my emotions until I blow my account. I lost a couple of trades. I was like, bro, no, sit still, close the charts, run away from the charts, and then don't do any trades. Just leave the charts. And so that's how I save my my account. But thank God it's for me. I'm not in that stage like to be more of like blowing my account. For me, I really want to be to scale. This is my goal in trading for now. Like I'm out from that phase of blowing accounts. So which is good, which is already a progress, you can say that. But right now the next goal is to make money from trading. So it will be, so yeah, you cannot push, you cannot, this is what it is. I was just asking myself yesterday, bro, you are actually um like you don't have patience, really. Do you do not have a patience? You are like, you really want everything to come up to you like right now. And this is now how it is, it happened. Like you have to be patient, you have to give you everything every single day, and be humble, be patient, be humble, be patient, be humble, be patient. And this has been happening to me like for 2 3 months. Like I'm really doing this. From 2 3 months, like I make money a couple of times, like couple of trades, we take good trades, and then next day coming up, I'm like, oh, bro, we have to make this money now. Go for trades, aggressive trades, pushing the buttons, and then you realize you got stopped out. Okay, it's fine. Took a trade, another stopped out. Still pushing the buttons, still taking aggressive trades, which is bad. And then you realize in the end, bro, you are pushing the buttons irrationally, considering just you are saying to yourself that you have to make this much amount of money, which is bad. You should not have to be doing this in trading. You have to be just focus on a process, just focus on giving your everything to charts every single day, 14 to 16 hours being in front of the charts, and keeping in mind you have to be patient in that. Maybe you'll be in front of the chart 16 hours, you'll get nothing, you may lose your money, you hardly can be able to get a trade. If you'll can be able to get a one trade, it is great. And then with the same mindset, you have to come tomorrow as well in front of the charts with this. And then for me, I was like, bro, I know this edge, I can do this, I can do that. I have to be making money this week. I have to make this amount of money. I have to push myself. Yes, you're pushing yourself, but you are pushing yourself irrationally, which is actually a waste of time. So this is what it is have been happening to me like for 2 3 months, last 2 3 months. I realize this now, like, bro, you're doing, this is trading. You have to be patient. You have to be sitting still, watching, observing, looking for a trade on in your edge only. If you did not get a trade, one trade in a day, it's fine. Your job is to be in front of the charts. 16 hours, open eyes, focused mindset. If you feel like you're not focused on charts, okay, don't push the buttons. If you feel like you're tired, close the charts, go for sleep. If you feel like, oh, you cannot be in front of the charts, you're tired, you want to sleep, or you're sick, or something, so close the charts, go for a sleep. Yes, yes, you have to be in front of the charts, considering the fact that you have to give you everything. Like whenever you're in front of the charts, like you have to be giving you everything. But considering the fact that your mental capital is more important than everything, and your money which you have. So this is what it is. Like I realize, um yeah, from past couple of months ago, I was just telling myself, bro, if you just be in front of the charts, if you'll be just focusing on yourself, if you'll be just, yeah, because this is this kind of industry or this kind of profession, you 24, your job is to be in front of the charts 24 to 24 by 7. Like you really have to, you cannot afford to be losing even a single second of focus from charts. Even though you're doing something else, like your mind should be focused on charts all the time. And you have to be, definitely you have to be disciplined, bro. You have to be disciplined. Focus on yourself all the time. Focus on your goals which you want to achieve. Have to get better on this one. Have to get better on this one. For me right now, like, really have to get better on my patience. I know I can see my edge. I can see the things do play it out, but I'm just being impatient most of the time. If you could just sit still, watch, observe. Yeah, but does not mean that being impatient does not mean, oh, you just sit, or you just close the charts and then do something else, or maybe like you just woke up, watch the charts for 2 hours, look for trade, not find trade, go for sleep. No, being in a patience means you have to be in front of the charts for 16 hours and still be in patience. Still, you have to have a patience while you are in front of the charts for 16 hours in a day. You did not get any trade. You got stopped out. You got just one very small trade. At some point, you will be feeling. At some point, this is what I was feeling here. This is what for 2 3 months I was feeling like, oh, bro, why can we will not be able to get any trade today? It means I will waste my time. No, you did not waste your time, man. This is what I was thinking. Like, you did not waste your time. For you, your job is to be in front of the jars and giving your everything, making money, being profitable, not making money, getting stopped out, getting out from the market at break even. It is not in your hands. The only thing in your hand is to give your everything. So this is what you have to do. Irrespective of thinking or you wasted, you do not waste your time, man. You give your everything, man. This is what every profession requires you to do. This is what every profession requires you to chase. You want to chase big. You have to give you everything. Keep your heads down. Focus on yourself. And yeah, there's a lot of distraction, man. It takes just 1 second to get distracted. 1 second, and it is so difficult to remain focused onto the things which you want to do, because of social media. You go out, you saw people, you, especially for a man, young man, woman, like they saw this beautiful girl, and then, oh, so much distraction. This is what it is. I was like, bro, last week I was like, what I was doing really. I was woke up, go to the gym, then I was going to library for 2 3 hours, and just irrationally, if could I could have just coming back from gym, I could have stayed at my home, sleep for 2 3 hours, and then I would have long 12 to 16 hours to be working. And you have to be working like this. And when you go to the library, you saw people, you saw girls. You feel like, oh, you are, you see chaos in your surroundings, and you feel like, bro, and you have to get out from this, man. This is what it is. I'm really working out also right now. That's why, bro, I decided no way going out from my home. This is complete distraction. Yes, at some point you only feel like, oh, you only have too much time. Then you can go to library. Yeah, it's because it's most probably it will be distraction. Yes, yeah, because we tends to be more of like, because we fed up. This is human psychology. We fed up of doing the same things. For me, I know I will be fed up of doing if I do the be working in here for 12, 16 hours every single day, I would be like, oh. But this is what I was thinking about. If you have a partner while you are in this journey, and that person is with you, like for real, you have to do this, man. You will have already have a motivation. That person, the presence of that person will already be a motivation to you. Enough motivation, bro. You have to do this for her. And then the other thing is like you will be feeling, because emotional game, man. Uh, it's just we should supposed to stay out from emotionally from charts, but we have emotions, like we really want to talk to somebody, say share our emotions. You have to have somebody to really to share your everything. And if you have a partner to you share with them, share, you're doing great, man. Like you, I believe so. There's more chances you will be getting the things, you will be understanding the things, you will be more mature, your emotions will be more of like, yeah, we have that person, I can share with her. You'll be not feeling like alone or all that stuff as well too. So I believe there's more chance. I believe there is more chance of people who have partners. They are good traders than somebody who's single, which is, and he is doing the trading, which is difficult when it comes to emotions. Or maybe you have a friend, or you can share your trading journey. So this is more of a personal stuff to me, guys. For right now, I'm just watching. I have not done anything technically. I was just talking about some or other stuffs. So we'll start with the daily time frame. We have not discussed everything till yet. Just wanted to keep an eye on 1 minute time frame. Um, just quickly wanted to do a couple of. Okay, we'll start with daily time. We have seen that today's Monday. Last week, yesterday was Sunday. We closed like this with a massive week. This is still this monthly fair value gap we are trending inside. For bearish case scenario, I am discussing everything. We are still this monthly fair value gap we are inside. We just tapped into this monthly fair value gap. I'm not confident the way we open on monthly time frame. I believe this month we could be bearish from here. We already are bearish. We tapped into this monthly fair value gap. And on weekly time frame, we could say this is this weekly fair value gap as well. This box, gray box. We've tapped into this weekly fair value gap. Yesterday we closed inside these weekly highs. And this weekly low and this weekly high is already a weekly fair value gap as well in here. So the way we close at this range of overall we are bearish, we tap into this monthly fair value gap. This is the point of control of this range as well from here. If you draw from this range to this range, this is a quite big range. This is the point of strongest level of resistance as well. 95.5k of the range. I'm talking about everything considering if market has to go down. This is the point of control of the range as well. And we have shown rejection from weekly fairly gap yesterday, closed like this. And then if you go to daily time frame, this was this daily fairly gap as well. We show rejection, then coming back down. This is the point of control of the range as well. Monthly fairly gap low as well. And we have shown rejection. At this point, I was considering market code rejection from this range, as these are the quite strong level of resistances. I was like, if we could show rejection from this range, we could be going down way toward low levels on this range from here. And this is what we have seen today or yesterday late in the night on from the charts. We went down on Tuesday or maybe Wednesday. We make this high. Thursday we close bearish. On Thursday, when it was trading at this range, this was already, I was already known to the fact that these are quite strong level of resistances. Slowing down, choppy price action at this range will already be a sign that it wants to go down. When it showed rejection for 4 round, I feel like in this range, I was like, it is bearish, man. This is your top. You can anticipate your top. Because it was going up, I was like, it has to go. When it showed rejection from these previous 4 time from fell gap, then it was going down. I was like, bro, I don't think that's going up, which is going down. This is the top. You can anticipate this is your top. Went down from this range. Friday, another higher low for time from again down. Throughout Saturday and Sunday, if you could see in here these daily highs, market did not went above these highs. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is already a sign it wants to go down. This was the Friday high, Saturday high, and Sunday high. And we have already inverted this 4 out and trading at lower level of the 4 out and gap. I was watching the charts yesterday. I was like, throughout Friday, I was like, we could go up, just a little bit short reaction, then go down. My top is this one, or we could just roll down from here. When you get Friday, I was like, could knock the Friday high, then go down, or maybe go down from here. It will be great if we go down from here like that. When you get Saturday, I was like, could Saturday high, then go down, or maybe go down like this. It will be great if you go down like this. And late in a set last night, we have seen after that aggressive downside cross section from here toward low levels. And you cannot deny, yeah, technically speaking, I will discuss about what I am anticipating for bullish case scenario as well. But for now, we're just discussing this bearish case scenarios on charts. And we've seen aggressive downside cross section. And we close like this. This is a new 4 hour time frame or new daily candle open, which is Monday and next week as well, today. And I'm pretty much in concern that just on a bigger picture time frame, if we draw a range from here, this is also a range. We are already coming back inside the value area high of this range as well, and this is also this weekly fair value gap high as well. This is the low of the daily fair value gap as well. I'm in a more of like concern that as we have shown rejection, we have done come down quite aggressively toward low levels. I'm in a more of like concern. I'm not confident on these lows. I'm not confident on these lows. Maybe these lows as well, but at least I'm not confident on all of these lows. 86k, just around 86k. I believe we could be going down all the way to 86k from here to this range. The way we have shown rejection, quite strong level of resistances. And this is a point of control of the range, coming back inside value higher of the range, weekly fair value gap as well. We could be good knocking all of those lows. And this is the value area low of the range. We could be going down all the way. This is what I am anticipating right now. Like it should be doing like this. So in that case scenario, I'm bearish. Every single day I wanted to see downside price action from charts. The way we have come back inside the range. I may be wrong as well, but I'm leaning bearish on charts. Today's Monday, so for example, today's we are bearish. Okay, I'm anticipating bearish pricing. Today's bank holiday. I'm already anticipating a choppy skin. It's 9:37. You have to keep an eye on here. Look at this. We have this is our low on charts. Now, for example, if you have today's bearish, I'm anticipating bearish price action from the market rate. This is, look at this. While going to create this 4 failure gap, this 4 failure gap. Go to this chart. Let me draw this one. Let me draw these lines in here. This is a 4 time frame. Fair value gap high. This is a 4 time frame fair value gap. So we was trading inside this 4 time fair value gap. Yeah. We do went up after making a low, which is this one. These lows. Just today. This is today's transaction I'm talking about. And we do get the bounce from here inside this 4 hour fill gap. Inside this 4 hour fill gap, we could high low. I can see only one thing right now for me if I have really have to take a trade is as it is creating high low. I wanted to see market do get the bounce from the lows, fail to go above previous highs. I will be looking to go for a short because we are bearish overall, and also locally as well. This is already a sign that it creating higher lows on charts. It did not have a steam to be going up from here. Yes, it could go up, but it could just roll down as well because overall as well we are bearish to knock these lows as well. So that's why I draw this high low on charts. I was also anticipating you to just go up, knock this high. If it failed to go above this high, I'll be looking to go for a short. And this is what we have seen that at this range. When I was watching these levels on charts, when it could these wicks in here. High low on charts going down. And so far same thing happening till now. So we can anticipate continuation of this kind of price action from charts. This is this 5-minute time frame fairly gap we have in play. And we have created another high low. This is 9:30 just after the opening. We are going down. I wanted to see market because overall it was still bearish. And this is already 4-hour time frame fairly gap as well. We're trading inside. And if you could see in here just after the opening we went down. This is the new opening candle of today's price action. 4-hour time frame fairly gap, 1-hour time fairly gap, 30-minute time frame fairly gap, 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. So yeah, I'm anticipating because we are overall still bearish, high low, high low, high low. These are already signing it wants to go down. I'm anticipating market should not have to go above this high. If you do get the bounce from here, market failed it to go above this high, I will be looking to go for a short. Because overall we are bearish, I will be looking for these previous lows on charts. The only caveats to this is this one, which is the way we open. I'm not confident the way we open. We just opened and went down. Maybe it is possible this could be our top, but I'm not confident the way we open at this range. It is also possible because Monday, bank holiday, a choppy session, maybe while going down, we fail to disrupt this low. Because this is a weekly failure gap high and this is the daily failure gap low as well. Market could get low high as well. If it could create low high, it could be going up as well to disrupting all of those highs. This is the new day opening. It could go there as well. So these are the two possibilities right now I am anticipating on charts. Overall, I'm leaning bearish. I wanted to see market should have to go to 86k from here, but which is possible, which may not be possible considering if you could see in here that this is the value area of the range. And if you go to weekly time frame, after making a low, after getting bounced from the value area of the range, we have not gone down any of the previous weekly low. If you could see in here, this is the value area low, weekly failure gap low as well. We have not gone down any of the previous weekly low. If you could see in here, and we got the bounce from the value. In that case scenario, we should have to not to go last week low, which is this one, 90k. If it open, go down a little bit, maybe it went down as well. Should have to be bullish from here to disturb the previous high, previous week high, all of those continue price action. This is also possible. We cannot deny this. We continue to create lower high, lower high, lower high, and all of a sudden roll up. This is also possible as well. I'm leaning bearish the way we have shown rejection from this range and the way we closed last week. But I'm pretty much in concern with this as well because this is a weekly fairly gap high and this is this daily failure gap low as well. And the way we opened today, we could get the bounce as well from here.
While going up, I wanted to see market should have to break this high if it has to continue to be bullish. If I'm going toward upper side from this monthly high, show slow down, choppy at this range, we could be just rolling down from here to old alerts as well. Let's see how market will perform in here. This is the value high point of control and value low of this range as well. So for example, if it has to, yeah, I only know one thing. I know a couple of things, but I only knew one thing because this is the value area high of this range and weekly fairly gap high as well. From this range, this from this to here, and I believe so. This is value area high point of control and value area low of the range as well. Uh, yeah. So if it has to disrupt these lows, if it has to go to 86k, it should have to come back inside this range, and it should have to tends to be bearish. Yes, it is possible it could slow down, choppy, and still went down as well. I'll be pretty much cautious if we do like this. But the first possibility, like if it really has to go to 86k, just come back inside the range and be bearish. There's no point for the market to make a retest, go up, retest, show rejection, then go down. No, it should not have to do this, man. I will be cautious if we do this because it could just hold the area and then make another high as well at this range. But this is what it is. If it has to go to 86, it should have to continue to be bearish from here. Continue to tends to be bearish from here. This is what it is I'm looking for right now. That's why I'm leaning bearish on charts. So far, I'm just watching and observing. So if you could see me on shorter term time frame, this is this 4-hour time frame high, low, and 4-hour time frame fairly gap high. We are trading inside high, low, high, low, high, low. Okay, and this is our previous low. Overall, we're bearish. I want to see market should not have to hold this area. This is weekly fairly gap high and daily fairly gap low as well. It could just go down, disrupt these lows as well. It is pretty much possible as well. It could be continue to creating a lower high as well at this range. And maybe it has to make one more leg up to knock the opening of the day and then go down as well, which is also big. I'm anticipating it should not do like this, but because Monday choppy session could be doing like this as well. So in that case scenario, I will be watching the market how it will trade while going down at this range. If it has it wants to go down below this low, or it is trying to hold the area. We'll see how it will do in there. So far leaning bearish. Just after the opening it went down. This is the previous 15-minute time frame candle. We have seen that just after the opening 9:45, 9:30 to 9:45. So if you could just see in here, market has been getting higher lows on charts. I'm anticipating this is my top. This is previous high. This is my top. 49, 949.92. And this is 46.8. This is another higher low. This is already a sign it wants to go down. So anticipating it should not have to go above this high. Be bearish to give me this low. Let's see if it has the potential to do this. Just for now, I have anticipated my top and my target. My entry is not defined yet. I cannot risk that, and I'm pretty much in content with this as well. I may be wrong as well. As we're bearish, that's why I'm leaning bearish. That's how it is. And for me right now, I can only see there's no bearish divergence right now. I can only see a roll up or roll down strategy. if roll down from here, or maybe if while going down we fail to go below this low, there will can be a roll up strategy I can look to trade. For now, just these things. That's how it is. That's how it will happen. Let's see how it will play down. I'm pretty much in content with this that today's bank holiday on US, so we may anticipate a complete choppy session as well, which is also we cannot deny. Sorry guys, I'm not saying anything right now, just watching and observing. I'm pretty much in content. This is my top. This is the top I'm anticipating right now because we are just going down like high lows. So just after the opening, we went down. So I have to still have to wait for at least 5 to 15 minute time from candle to anticipate another high low. So far, after 9:30, this is choppy session going on. But we still have to be in front of the charts. We have to give our everything. So I'm anticipating that's why this is my top. This is my top. Market share rejection from the low of the 5 minute time from 50 gap. Let's see how this candle close, and then I will anticipate if this is my top. And I want to see like market just roll down. like creating creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher low, another higher low, just roll down. It is likely possibility because this is a weekly failure gap. We got the bounce. We could just get the bounce to disrupt these highs. Maybe create a higher low at this range as well, then go roll down as well, which is also possible. Maybe it could just be bullish, disrupting all of those highs. Then from this range could be going down. This is also possible as well. So quite a bit of possibilities when we have too many possibilities or too many probabilities. So we just sit still. Don't need to push irrational buttons. So I will be pretty much in content with this before I push any kind of buttons. I'll be just looking to trade or anticipate a trade with my edge. And before we jump into any kind of trade, I will be anticipating a trade. And I will be anticipating, watching, and observing. And the only trade I will be taking is like retest trade. There will be no aggressive trade, not chasing the top or not chasing the market trade. So this is what I've been doing last week. I was just chasing. Missed couple of trades when market went aggressively, bullish or bearish. And I was like, bro, I have to be pushing the buttons aggressively and then to pay the price for that. Not for the so just watching and observing. So it's 9:55. So we already have seen this rejection from this 5 minute time frame fairly gap, 5 minute time frame fairly gap inverted. So I'm anticipating now this is my top now. If this is my top, if market has a potential to keep this fairly gap open or just tapped into this and go down. This is what it is I'm looking for. And these lows, and I want to see after that continuation toward this low 93,300. And we have to align everything with the bigger picture time frame as well. What do you think on bigger picture time? 15 4 of 9. Do you think we could be bearish? Yeah, could be bearish because already bearish. This is forward not very gap. We're trading in there. Create high low on 4 time. This is already a sign. We should have to disrupt this previous 4 time from low 92,600 and 92,300. At least these two low. We should have to knock. I will be not going in this one because it will be too. Could go there, but 1 hour time frame. Shown rejection from the 4 hour time frame, 1 hour fill gap going down. Could be disrupting these lows as well in here. 30-minute time frame. Fail gap could be going down, disrupting these lows. But it is also possible we could just hold this area as well. Though it has got a lower high, lower high, lower high as well. Could go up as well from there. Let's see how we will do perform in here. So for higher lows, we're going down. And the same thing, 15-minute time frame as well. Like if we have not gone down above any of the previous 15-minute time frame high, if you could see in here. So this is what I wanted to see, not to go above 15-minute time frame high. Next for our 15-minute time frame, I want to see continuation to a low level is this one, 92,600 or 92,100 as well. So this is this about this 15-minute time frame candle high. So look at this. We do get the bounce from here. If this is my top, this is the fair value gap. It will be great if market keep this value gap open, then go down. So just watching and observing. So this is this fair value gap. This is also the 4-hour time frame fair value gap low as well. Let's see if market could give us higher low. Then we'll be looking for the previous lows. So as long as we are trading below 92,881.8, I'm looking for the market to go down. But I'm pretty much content with this as well, considering it could be creating these kind of price action as well. This is this weekly fair value gap high as well. It could be just going off for all of those highs as well. In that case, we will see how market will perform in this range. After creating high, it is going down, or it would continue to be bullish. It will be great if market continue to be bearish from here. This is what I'm anticipating right now, considering we have 58 minutes left. Yeah, if we remain choppy at this range for this 8 minutes, next 4 hour, I want to see downside projection to knock all of those lows. So look at this. It is like trying to knock the highs. So this anticipation did not even, we did not even anticipate a short position in here. Like, you can't say that. You have to be leery now. Like on this first second, I was just looking for higher low. Like, it did not give us even any reason to anticipate a short. This is already a sign you have to be leery. Still, I'm pretty much in content with this, that we could just go up, disturb these local highs, then go down as well. Or maybe this could be our bottom. We continue to be bullish as well for all of those local highs, because we are going up. That's why. So now I wanted to keep this high in there. Let's see. Yeah, you can keep this high. Yeah. Let's see how market will perform in here. So far it is going up. The only thing I can see right now, which is what I would be prefer to be watching, is this. Market should not have to be trading very close to this blue line, not to be going above. Then I'll be looking to go for sure. This is the only thing I can see. That's it. Otherwise, we'll be just sitting still. There is quite a bit of things I have to do today. Like, you have to really have to do research about uh, small cap investments, and then, which is what I have not done till now. because I was so tired after running. I was so tired going to the gym as well. I need to take off. So, guys, I'm not saying anything, just watching the charts right now. It's been quite choppy. It's been quite boring now. So when it is boring, you're distracted. So in that case, I prefer to be reading a book. Meanwhile, keeping an eye on charts. Because if I'll be just doing keep an eye on charts with the anticipation, yeah, my anticipation is not to go over this high, trading close to this high, and then try to go down. With the anticipation in mind, yeah, this is how it is I'm looking for. So I'm pretty much in content with this. We have 50 minutes left for the 4 hour time frame. Let's see how market will perform there. So yeah, this is the only thing I can say, guys, is if it has a potential to not to go above this high and be bearish, but in that case scenario, it should have to be creating higher low and then inverting this 5 minute time frame failure to go down. Could be just going down, hold the area, then be bullish as well. So just watching and observing, guys. So just started reading a book, which is this one, Every Penny Count. Yeah, make every penny count. Budgeting tips and tricks to keep more money in your pocket. So yeah, the story is like this: is this couple, so they're kids, and then so far it is like that. So they hardly could be able to make the ends meet. They have a credit loan taken from banks, all that. So after that, they launch some blog, and then got viral, and then this is what it is like. And then they will teach us in the end, like you save money to invest, or all that stuff. They're not into accounting and anything. So yeah. So this year it is. I do think about a lot as well in this kind of stuff. For me right now, like going to fancy coffee shops, going to fancy theaters, going to fancy restaurants. Never going to be happen. Never in my life. You're broke, bro. How can you do that? This is what it is I was thinking, but bro, you can afford to have a girlfriend. No. Can you take her on a date? No. Can you take her to for dinner? No. Can you take her to lunch? No. Why? Because I don't have money, bro. Broke as hell. And on top of that, the most important thing is time. Like money and time, I have to give it to her for just going out. Like no, no. I have to wait waste my, not. It's not. I would say not say wasting, uh, but I cannot afford to, man. I cannot. Yes, I'm not saying that don't have even a single penny. Yes, I can. I have money. Like 50, 50, 60 bucks is like not a big deal. I have in my account, but I do not want to because I feel like I have to be investing. I have to be trading. I have to be making investments for my future, man. Somebody who's genuine with me. Somebody who will be with me forever. Like yeah, and for myself as well. Like and then yeah, cannot afford to do this. Like, and the couple of days ago, this girl like I thought we could have a good relationship, but I approached her twice. She said nothing. Uh, and then I was like, maybe she's interested, maybe not. And then I was like, bro, we have to get to know like what is it she want. If she would said no, like it's fine. You always every good say no to you, so you don't have to be like this. Like so you're already broke, so it will be another addition to your brokenness. And then you have to approach her. And then when talk to her, I was like, no, she said no. I was like, oh. And then when yeah, when she said no, I was like, bro, you are broke as hell. I said to myself, bro, you are broke as hell. Do you think she will say yes to you while you're broke? No. Don't girls don't like broke man. No. They like somebody who has a car, who has a nice car, house, business, this kind of stuff. And these kind of the girls that you have to stay away. I don't know her what kind of person she is, but she said to me like she's not. Maybe I respect her, man. I respect her the way she said. And the way I asked her, it was such a bad way. But I was thinking, well, should I have to be asking? Should I have to be not? Like and then I have to be asking. Uh, I do not want to be like I'm on to the next one. Like I was like, if she said no to the next one, like I'm not that kind of person like who who's like broke hearts like this. No, but if you cannot do anything, maybe I could have waited, then watch, observe, then you then we'll see. But I don't know what I've done wrong or bad. I don't know. But the way I asked her, it was such a bad way. And definitely 100%. She was quite mature. She would say no. And these kind of girls are like mature girls, not a kid mentality girls. But so far, there's a couple of girls like who was really mature. They said no to me because I could not be able to handle them, and they think the way I would have been acting or the way I was doing the things that they would think, oh, he's a kid. So it's the same thing for me right now. If I talk to somebody who is like kid mentality, I will be like reluctant to be not to be talking to her. Oh, yeah, most of the people do fathom that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is what I do fathom after quite quite a bit of time, and then yeah, you you don't have to be like you have to be mature, man. To set up a to approach a mature woman, you have to be mature. This is for sure. Yeah, you cannot be like a kid and then go up to her, talk to her, and then you'll be like, oh, not confident. Your hands will be like shivering, and then you'll be talking. No, this is not how it should be. So mature woman requires a mature man. So this is human psychology, and you'll see you'll for me like I would be avoiding kids mentality girls. The same thing if somebody she's very mature, she'll be avoiding a kid mentality man. She want a mature man, so a strong man. So I acted like I'm not mature. I'm a kid in front of her. She's like out, and we had a couple of times a conversation because she works in a different thingy. I think so. I should not be talking. Uh, just watching and observing, not doing anything. The only thing I can see is like if we fail to go above this, I'll be looking to go for sure. If you go up, go up. If you disturb this side, could be disturbing all of this as well. So this is already could be a sign that, yeah, in that case scenario, you can anticipate this could be your bottom. I'll be not taking any bullish trade. This is the way that it has keeping this for 15 5 minute full gap open. Could be going up as well. Let's anticipate if this is our bottom and market continue to be bullish from here, disrupt all of those highs to 93 300. Because we just got the bounce um, from weekly fair gap high. This is, I do not want to see that. I want to see market should go down from this range. Should not have to, but it's possible. Could take some time then go down as well. So I have 38 minutes left as well. So it will be great next 4 hour time frame. We could be going down, but the only caveat we may not go down is, or maybe we close bullish. Today is this opening. Today the way we open today. If we have to be bearish for this whole week, I want to see we should be bearish, but in that case scenario, market should not have to. We can anticipate a couple of bullish days today, tomorrow. This is what you can anticipate as well. So let's see how this forward time frame candle close, and then we'll see from the next forward time frame. We should have to be knocking this previous low, but failed to go down. Yeah, we did not disrupt this previous forward time frame low, which is this one, which could be a sign that we can go up. So I'm just anticipating right now because we got the bounce from this weekly fair gap high, and we are just getting up upward side. Um, and we have disrupted these local highs. We have inverted credit fair gap on 5 minute time frame, inverted this 5 minute time frame gap as well. That's why I'm anticipating if this is my bottom, market would hold this area and be bullish from here, 93 300 somewhere. It's 10:26 right now. It hold this level nicely, by the way. I'm anticipating if this is my bottom. The way we have got the ones we inverted this 5 minute time, we get this 5 minute fill gap, keeping it open, higher lows, higher lows. We could be going up. We'll go to 93, 300 from here. All of these highs. Cannot deny. Let's wait 2 minutes for the 15-minute after candle close. We have this. We have to keep in mind we have this last 4 out from candle going on. If this is my bottom, this is a low, this is a fill gap. If it keep this open, not even anticipating a trade right now, but just watching and observing. This blue line, which is at 92.8, 91.9, I'm anticipating this could be my bottom. And while going up, we have created the 92, 920 lows, and also the fuel gap as well. Let's see how market reacts to this fuel gap. I'm pretty much in content with this as well. We pretty much in content with this price action as well. We have been creating this higher lows, higher lows, higher lows as well. Could be just going up, create another higher low, scroll down as well. This is the only thing I can look to trade if it is possible. So far, I to believe. Look at this. It's just 10.29. Difficult to, because this is difficult to go for short. Cannot deny this could be our top. But just roll down for all of those lows, this low as well. Because overall it's still bearish. It's just watching, I'm sorry. So you have to keep in mind after 9:30 this has been complete choppy session going on. So yeah. So in that case scenario, you have to try your best to stay away from pushing buttons. So I'm just watching. That's why I'm just watching and observing the charts. I'm not pushing buttons right now. I'm not in the mood to push buttons. I'll be just keeping an eye on charts. I wanted to have anticipation on charts, watching and observing. So do get the bounce, guys. To believe, man, there's an auto trading session going on. So far, getting low highs. Could be knocking all of those highs, cannot deny. But you have to believe me. And we have to wait for this 25 minutes, man. And wait for next 10 minutes for the new 4 hour time frame candle as well. Could be going up like this, but we'll see. The only thing I can see right now is not to go above this high, then looking to go for a short. That's it. In that case, I have to anticipate a top. This is already my top, a local top at this range, which should show reject, should tell me that it is not going above this high. On 5 minutes at least, for at least 5 minutes, maybe 15 minute time frame as well. Then we will be looking for. I'll be looking for all of those local lows and charts. Look at those candles. I'm already not trusting these kind of candles. Could go anywhere. It will be great if market continue to create lows while going up from this range, not to go above this high. Then we'll be looking for go for a short. Let's see. Not doing anything right now. But I need to anticipate this low, by the way. Can we just looking for this low? This is my buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Leaning bearish. Sorry guys, I'm not saying anything. I'm just have to go for prayer. For just give me 5 minute break. I'll be back. Um, even though I'm not saying anything right now, but this is what I was thinking about. So far, I would say that you have to be leery pushing the buttons. The only one thing I can see right now is if market fail to go above this high, then I will be looking to go for short for these lows. That's it for now. We have 13 minutes left for 4 hour time from initial 10 to 15 minutes time. Time is important to see how market will perform in there, and then we'll see. So sorry guys, I'll be back just after 5 minutes. So yeah, guys. So I'm just back. Oops. So I feel like I can read the books later on to the some important stuff, which is to do research about stuffs, which is important to me right now. I think so. Yeah. So we can read the books later on. This is so I can say that look. I was just wondering. I just moved out from my family, away from family. I feel like I'm having a great time with myself. Yes, at some point I do know the fact that you have to have somebody with you because hard times you don't know. Um, this is what it is I'm looking for. If I could be able to find some partner, so it will be great. A friend, great. Let's see. Why this is not working? So yeah, don't need this. Just a bit. So yeah, we have to keep an eye on Joss as well, man. This is fuck, man. Not have to be doing like this kind of stuff. We have to wait for this 5 minute time frame. How a 5 minute, how this 4 hour time frame could close, and yeah, and the next 4 hour time frame will tell us if it's going up for these hours in this area, because we are not confident on the way we opened in here, and today is Monday as well. So and oh, it could keep this fairly gap open, keep this high as well, which is this high 4 hour time frame high, and then go down from here. This is also possible as well. So we have to be leery because this is 9 after 9:30. You have to be leery because market has been completely choppy going on, not doing anything. So we have just seen that we get the bounce from the weekly fairly gap high. This was the 4 hour time frame. Fairly gap low as well. Invert this fairly gap. Just tap into this 5 minute time frame gap going up. Yeah. Let's see if it has a potential to give us all of those highs 93, 300. And if I could not make the things confusing, is I'm just looking for the market not to go above this high, and I'm already not confident on all of those lows to go for a shot. Let's see. This is my bottom. This is my bottom. Then So guys, I'm not saying anything right now. Just doing some other stuff, and then we're keeping an eye on charts. For me, I can only see one thing is if market not to go above this high. We have this new 4-hour time frame candle. It will be great if market not to go above this 4-hour time frame candle. It could disrupt this high, which is 93,151, which is this high. 188. The previous 4-hour time frame candle high is 188 is this one. Yeah, it could disrupt this high, or maybe this 4-hour time frame high. It will be great if it not to do that. So, and leaning a little bit of bearish right now at the moment. So far it is going up, like if you could see it from here, and considering the way it inverted this 5-minute time frame, everything is going up. Yeah, just watching and observing. You have to motherfucker open your eyes, man. So it is going up. Look at this rejection candle. You have to keep in mind it's just a new 4-hour time frame candle opening, which is this one. It could be bullish because we tapped into this weekly fail gap high, and we have to go up. Could be bearish because this is a 4-hour time fail gap high. This is the previous 4-hour time frame. After that, this is the previous 4-hour time frame. Overall, still we have seen aggressive downward side per second. We could continue to be bearish. The way we close on 1-hour time frame, we could be bullish. 30-minute time frame as well is telling me. 15-minute time frame as well is telling me. In that case scenario, should not have to go below this low, not have to go below this low. Market should have to tend to be bullish from here if it has to go up now. Should not have to slow down at this point. Should not have to slow down. So this is what it is, guys. I was just thinking about right now. If market could have potential to not to go above this high, we have to wait for this 5 minute time frame candle close. Then I'll be anticipating this is my top. Look at this, the weight has traded very close to the previous high. And also, where is VWAP? VWAP is there. This is the only thing I can see right now. If it could play that. We have to be leery at this range because we have this 5 minute time frame really up. If this is the top, you should have to invert this 5 minute time frame really gap and then be bearish for this low. This is what it is I would be anticipating. It will be great if we anticipate a 5 minute time frame close like this, but we have to be leery because this is the way this close on 1 hour time frame. We could be disrupting those highs as well. I don't know. Maybe we just come down to this weekly fuel gap low. So this one. Yeah, you can, for example, if you could show rejection, you don't need to be targeting this high. You can target just these local highs as well. This forward after fuel gap as well. So now I'm anticipating if we have closed in 5 minutes, this is my top. This is my top. We will be looking for these three lows and this 4 hour time frame fuel gap low. Yeah, this is 1 minute time frame fuel gap. I'm anticipating this is my top. After that, we have created this fuel gap. If market cannot risk that because this high, because I'll be risking way too much. If market could give me a higher low at this range, we'll be looking for 1, 2, 3 lows. This is what it is I'm looking for right now. And I'm a little bit of in confusion the way we have this 1 hour time frame closed. We could be going up as well. 30-minute time frame, we could be going up as well. 15-minute time frame, we could be going up as well. As we're bearish, I'm anticipating it should not go up. This is the only thing I can see right now if this could play it out, considering the way I prefer to watch the market. Yeah. Cannot be looking for these lows. This is way too far. We'll be just content with these lows and this 4 time frame low. If it has a potential. So far, this candle is quite good. I'm not pretty much confident about my stop loss over this. Oh. So this is the top. Let's see if it ends, but this is the high. 93,040. Let's anticipate a short position. Just want to keep my stop loss there. I'm not confident on this stop loss. I'm not taking this trade, just anticipating. If you could give me all of those lows. I just anticipated. I'm not confident to push returns on this trade. Could flat outward. Let's see. Could just go off as well. Create another higher than one as well. It just could roll down. This is good. Give me these lows, and I want to see give me these lows as well. Are you confident the way we open in this range? Look at this. You confident on 15-minute time from the way we opened? No, confident. It's 11:16 as well. You have to be live trading this. You should never have to go above this hour. You have to keep your surplus there. Look at this. How would you feel at this point? How would you feel at this point? How would you feel at this point? This is didn't seem to me it's just playing out. If you're confident, you can. I will be confident to take this trade if we do like this. Get the bounce from here. Show rejection again from this high. Not going above this high. Then come down. Inversion of this fairly gap. I will be confident to go for a short. This will be a clear sign it did not want to go above these highs. This is what I can see only that. Look at this. You got stopped out on this trade. You have to be leery now. So I would anticipated just one trade did not play it out. You have to keep in mind this because these anticipation trades do give you confidence on the market. Cannot just go for jump for a trade. You can if you want to, but I would prefer to be watching and observing the charts. Get to know the market a little bit after bearing some couple of anticipations. So you'll give you confidence. Oh yeah, not trading, just anticipating. Not trading, just anticipating, watching and observing. So we anticipate, watch and observe did not play it out. So yeah, let's see. So by that you will have more patience as well. Like you'll be so much have patience. And yeah, this is what it is. I'm doing very bad. I was doing very bad. Look at this, the way this candle closed. 060. I'm pretty much in content with this. We could just go up as well for all of this because the 1 hour time frame is telling me it could go up. 30-minute time frame is telling me it could go up. 15-minute time frame is telling me it could go up. So pretty much content with this as well. 4 hour time frame. Maybe. Maybe yeah. Or maybe not. So yeah. Look at this, guys. I'm pretty much in content with this. You have to be so much leery. Look at this after 9:30. So it's choppy session going on. And we are already anticipating because of bank holiday. And we cannot deny we could be bullish as well. Let's see how this 5 minute time frame candle close. This 5 minute time frame candle is important. For me, I can only see one thing, which is this. If market failed to go above this, that's it. It could just be bullish as well. If we disrupt these highs, I wanted to see 93 300. I will be literally buying the market today. I feel like it could be disrupting the previous hours. And if you disrupt the previous hour, I wanted to see 93,300 from there. Can I buy? I don't want to push the buttons to buy. You can put your surplus below this lows. 117. The high is at 114. Still, we have not gone above this high. We could, the way it is creating these high lows in here, we could just roll down. We don't need to be chasing this low. Yes, it is possible. We can chase these local lows. And this weekly fill gap low. That's it. This could be a trade. You don't need to be chasing all the major lows, man. Going up. So yeah, this high is knocked off. Now I wanted to see this high, that high, and 93 is 300 I'm looking for. Because we was bearish, we was creating high lows on charts. I was bearish as well too. But the way we closed in 1 hour time frame, I was like, could be bullish. 30-minute time frame, we could be bullish as well. 15-minute time frame, I was like, we could be bullish as well. Now we have disrupted this high. I want to see those highs should be knocked. Keeping an eye on 4 hour time frame as well. Looking for this high, the previous 4 hour time frame from high 93,300 from here. We have 2 minutes left for it's 11:28. It's really good market not to go below this low. Let's wait for the 5-minute time frame candle close. Still, it is possible we could be just disrupting this high. This will be another higher low from this high. Then roll down. But I want to see it should have to be continue to be bullish. Maybe it has to not to knock the previous 4 hour from highs. These candles, man. These candles. It is also possible. It is at 93,150. Yeah, it is 188. Now I want to see market share have to continue to be bullish to disrupt this as if it should have to be, but I'm pretty much in content with this. Maybe it has to keep those highs as well. Still getting higher lows, higher lows. Could roll down for these lows as well. In that case, we should have to anticipate our low high. So far, I do not feel like there's any candle did not show me that it wants to go down. So far, it is going up. In that case scenario, this is my bottom. This previous 5 minute time frame candle. I'm anticipating a long position in here. Buying in here. Stop loss should be there for 93,300. Because we have disrupted those highs and then 15 5 minute time frame seems to me it wants to, we got the bounce from the weekly fair gap low. So could it be disrupting those highs as well? Let's see. Or disrupt the local highs in here, in here as well. So continuation toward upper side I'm anticipating. Just a stop loss previous 5 minute time frame candle low. Just not taking this trade. I'm just anticipating for now. So far it's good. 150. If this kind of close bullish, you can purchase close below slow, keeping it time. Yeah. Now you have to keep your surplus there below this candle. Tends to be bullish. Look at this candle. And look at the high 93 to 220. I want to see it should have to dance everybody for these guys. Not taking the trade. I have not taken any trade till now. We have anticipated a long position in here. The way we disrupted this high. We anticipate a bottom in here. When this candle closes, we anticipate bottom in here. If we do come down, fail to go down below this candle, I will be confident to push button. So far, not doing anything. Look at this, the way we opened. This is already a not good opening on 5 minute. Everything is aligning, it could go up. So maybe it just have to disrupt the previous overall time frame high, which is this one in here. This is this one. This is this previous overall time frame candle high. Cannot deny this. Can I buy pretty much surplus below this low? 155.3. Look at this, the way we open on 15-minute time frame. On this chart, so messy. Can I put my you? How would you feel putting a surplus below this low and looking to buy? I think it wants to go up. Look at this candle, man. This candle is already telling me it wants to go up. Your surplus should be below this low now. Came in 93,300. It could give us 93,600 as well. This stop loss is 115.3. This is a good buy if you can take this one. It's not you're not risking too much. Your stop loss will be way too tight. Yeah. No, they're not. They're not. Let's see how this candle close. So yeah, your stop loss should be below this low now. 149.4. You can take this trade. Fuck you, man. My stop loss is just below this low. 149.4. 0.4%. Should not have to go below this low, by the way, if it has to go up. I'll be just looking for this size. Because it is going up as well. Looking for continuation. I'm risking just 0.4%. This is fine, so I can afford to risk that. So we have taken a trade in here. Oh, sorry, no. So we've taken, no, what is this? We've taken trade in here and trade in here, surplus there. So yeah, so I'm looking for this. It will be 3 hour trading, good trade if this played out. You don't need to be trading a 10 hour trade. And on bigger picture time frame, everything is telling me it could disturb this or as apart from 4 hour. We'll see. Should share to be bullish, tends to be bullish, by the way. Your stop loss is fine, it's below 5 minute time frame candle, so yeah. Look at this 15 minute time frame opening. On this chart it is fine, but on other chart it is. If you got stopped out, I'm not taking any trade for today. Should not, by the way. This is a little bit of a skeptical now because I usually prefer to enter the market when it is tends to be bullish or bearish. So yeah, yeah, we got stopped out on this trade. Did not play it out. I was pretty much confident the way we cut this low that we would come out, did not play, did not want. Just slow down. Yeah, maybe it has to not to go above this 7 4 time from, so that's why. So this was not a bad trade. We was risking a very small amount. This was you can say that this was a bad trade considering because I trade again. I did not trade my edge. I was just looking for continuation. So my edge was like roll down from here, or maybe higher low, or maybe disrupting this higher than higher low. But I do trade against, not against. I would say that, yeah, I would say against my edge. That's why this was not a bad trade. My risk management was fine. I was risking a very small amount. So yeah. So we don't need this one now. Still, it is possible. Maybe we just have to go above to knock this previous overbottom from here. Just have to keep this overall listed very so. Could we be just going down from here? But on 1 hour time frame, we could be going up. 30-minute after, 15-minute after as well, going up. So there's always two possibilities: continuation toward upper side or downward side aggressively, or making a retest, then going up. So this is more of like a seems to me a retest. So this is, we have a three possibilities: aggressively bullish, or making a retest toward upper side. So in aggressive, if it has to be aggressively bullish, there always are two possibilities: keeping this favorite as open, respect each 1 minute hour PD raise, be bullish, and you can miss that. And the other is like just make a retest then go up. You can. This is what I prefer to be trading. Just make a retest then go up. And the other is make a real retest then go up. So this is more of like I think a third thingy. Yeah, it was not a bad trade. I would say I've been terrible at journaling. I really have to focus on my journaling as well. So we'll be keeping. I was risking 0.4%, so I can risk that. So I don't mind risking that. It could have been a good 3 hour trade, so do not put it out. It's fine. So we'll be pushing the buttons now. Still, the way we have come down, come up, I'm looking for 93,300. Sorry guys, I'm not saying anything right now, just watching and observing, and completely distracted as well. I would say that whenever market is choppy, I'm distracted. So it's a lot of things, irrational things that just should not be like that. I would say that, but we are humans. Try not to. Yeah. Where are we right now, by the way? It's been 3 hours, by the way. I didn't realize. 3 hours. Yeah. We'll have to do quite a bit of important stuff, which is important after later on. So yeah, I'm still. Yesterday I went out for running, man. 15K running, and my legs. Even I cannot be able to stand properly. My left foot. Last time we went for 15K running, it was right foot. For 2 3 days, I cannot be able to even stand. This time it is. So last time it was right foot. Now this time is left foot. I can stand walk, but I can feel that my legs are hurting whenever I walk. So I need to rest. My legs need rest. My heart not need rest. So it has gone up. So, so this out is you cannot do anything. Cannot do anything. This is difficult because we was just looking for a bullish price action in here. Two went up in there as well, then went down, then went up. So cannot do anything. Not in your hands. So we're just looking for this area. It's gone up, but this was going for a buy and hit is so difficult. It did not even give us a wick. So, the only thing you can anticipate is this is the opening. Continuation toward opposite to the opening way because we're not confident the way we opened. This is the only thing you can look for. That's it. Which is this one. Don't need to be back. Don't need this as well. Just to keep it simple. You cannot deny this. If you are bullish, this lower high is already a buy. Inversion of this 1 minute after filling out. But I was leaning bearish at this point. The only thing I can see right now is this, the new day opening, if it has a potential to do this, because locally we're going up. Look at this, the way it is going down now. Pound to USDT. Pound to PKR, man, 374. If I have 5,000, 18 lakhs. Fuck you, I cannot do 18 lakhs. If I have 10,000, 37 lakhs. 25,000, 93 lakhs. I need to fucking 97. Round about this stage. But minimum I need 5, not 5, 3, 11, 10 lakhs. Round about 3,000. Okay. Look at this, guys. So it is gone down. Oh, sorry. So anyways, so it has disrupted this 4 down from high, going down. Overall, you're still bearish. Cannot deny this. So it has created this higher high. Let's see how RSI has done this. No, nothing on RSI. This is weakness on 5-minute time frame. and this is our previous major low. I can look into that. Yeah, these highs are the 4-hour time frame highs, so I'm just keeping them. 30-minute time frame. So yeah, on 5-minute time frame, yeah, if we could anticipate, this is our previous low. This is bearish divergence, outside weakness. If market fail to go down below this low, I'll be looking for bottom and then look for previous highs. This is what you can look for right now. Let's see, overall it's still bearish. Maybe just have to go above these highs and then could be knocking all of those lows. All of those lows as well be bearish. But it may not happen considering the 5-minute after failure we have. So I'm still in a buggy. No, I do have to need to do the 430. So guys, let me quickly say the prayer. I'll be back. So I can see only one thing right now is on at this point is this high bearish divergence. This is our previous major low. If market do come down, fail to go down below this low, I will be looking for the previous highs, and which is possible because I feel like on shorter term time frame this could play out. Yeah, this is the only thing I can see right now. But overall, on bigger picture time frame, I'm bearish. It will be great if market keep this early gap open. Then we go down tomorrow. We'll have another day as well. I believe so. It is possible we could stay at this range tomorrow as well. And then we have this coming up on a Wednesday. President Trump's speech could be just going on. This is what we got to fathom. Going for a trade right now is complete insanity, and I do not want to be moron. And I'm not saying I'm fallible, bro. I'm not fallible. So I'm human. I'm not angel or God. So this is what it is. If I would say that I'm fallible, so I got stopped out on this trade. I'm not fallible. So as long as you're risking not too much, you know what you're looking for, you know what you're trading. This one did not play that. The reason is like I made a bad trade, considering that I did not took a trade with my edge. I just I feel like pushing the button. I'm gonna just push the buttons. This is what I'm doing for quite a bit of time. So quickly search the prayer, say prayer, and I'll be back. And then we may finish this live stream after some time. We have just 12 o'clock. So I have to be quickly just be back. So guys, we're back. This is a chilled live stream going on so far. Look at this, it did not even went down below, just went down below this low. I believe it could be, we could be going to 93,600 from here. We could be going to 93,600 from here. $93. Let's see how we close in here. It is just 12:40:15. I'm looking for 93,600, which is possible. This 15-minute time frame, I'm anticipating previous 15-minute time frame low is my bottom. It has inverted this 3-minute time frame fairly well. just a 12.19, man. I'm looking for the 93,600. It has just tabbed into this 30-minute level. Or maybe this lowers, which is at 93,400, if it has a potential. Seems to me it wants to go up. Should have to go up. That's why we are anticipating this is my bottom. So this is my bottom. If it has to go to 93,600. So we have inverted this 3-minute time for filling up. Let's see. So guys, I'm just looking for whoever potential market could give us this uh, daily opening. This one, maybe it could just give us this one, 93, 500, 450. Because locally we're going to upward side. We have created this. We haven't disrupted the previous overall time frame highs, and the way we close in here at this range, I believe we could be going up. Considering as well that I don't think so. This is the top. The bearish level. It still have to go up. That's why we have anticipated a bottom, which is this one, 5-15 minute time frame. Low 93 600. I'm looking for. This is 5 minute time frame failure. 5 minute time frame failure market already whipped into this. Can I buy? Because we just whipped inside this 5 minute time frame failure. I'm not confident to buy in here, but let's see. Let's anticipate. This may not play it out. If I would go for a trade in here, uh, So guys, I'm not saying anything right now at the moment. Um, just we have two possibilities right now. I believe uh, this is not the top to me. Um, Considering the way it has shown weakness on our sign here, we have a possibility because this is our previous closest possible low, 15-minute time frame low as well. We have a possibility from here we could be going up to disrupt the previous highs or the previous highs and this area as well. Or this is also possible that we have to take its time. Market has to take its time, because this is this bearish divergence. Previous major low is this one. Market could come down to this range. It failed to go down below this low. Then I will be anticipating this is invalid bearish divergence, and from here with this range, you will be looking to buy to the previous highs at these ranges as well on charts. So if it has to be bullish from, because element of time is there, it's just 12, 12, 20, 37 right now. That's why I'm just anticipating, because this is our previous 15-minute time frame low as well, which is this low. I've just highlighted this one. So, and because this is bearish divergence, I believe it is invalid bearish divergence. So that's why I'm anticipating for market not to go below this low. Invert this favorable gap, I will be looking to buy to the previous highs of this ranges. But we have to be leery that we could just the thing second possibility was just discussed, we could go down and then be bullish as well. Don't need VWAP is there. We don't need VWAP. So yeah. So these are the, we don't need this one. So these two highs, these two lines are the 4-hour time frame highs, previous 4-hour time frame highs. So this is the bottom I'm anticipating right now. If it went down below this low, I'll be just watching this area for the market to give me a bottom. Then it would take some time. Just this is the thing. Look at this, is still not going down. But I cannot put my stop loss below this low and buy. I need the confirmation. There's one more thing. This may not play it out right now the way, because we have already gone up. Show rejection from this range to go down, but again we get the bounce as well. But again we show the rejection as well. If I would have been confident, if would have been bullish from here, like making a retest go up, like making a retest not go down. This is more of like telling me that um, we could be just going down to these ranges in here, and from here I may close my charts, and definitely I'm in front of the charts. I'll be doing something else, but I'll put my LUTs in here. If market how would it react to this price action, and then we'll be looking for the previous hours in this area if it is possible in this range. Because I do believe maybe tomorrow as well we can anticipate a choppy session. Tomorrow we have no news. To Wednesday we have this a WEF. What is WEF? F meeting. Look at oh this but World Economic Forum. Geneva, Switzerland. Oh, Switzerland is great, man. You should go to Switzerland. Oh, mission. What did it say? The World International for Public Corporation. This is the official website. Mission of the State of World is for public-private cooperation. Let us respect excellence, who we are. World Economic Forum. Members of global justice make a move forward altogether. Geopolitical history, non-profit foundation. How we work. Our business efforts and the corporation itself is a matter of our center, alone centers, our meetings, from the our front side. Join us. Let's join us. World Economic Forum, man. So now we have the better today and personal experience of access. Our intelligence briefing, newsletters, travel and entrepreneur movement, purpose-driven communities, premium program. Is this paid? This is non-profit, man. Organization, it is paid. Where is this paid money going into? Premium Pro. Channel available partners with services, library, exclusive session recordings, data insert PDF. Leverage AI, receive weekly benefits sounded. As videos get negotiated for man. So it's just a simple thing is this is World uh, Economic Forum. So yeah. So we have this meeting whole day. This meeting is on today as well. So yeah. That's why I'm leaning more like we could remain sideways. And this guy is speaking something as well on 1:30, so we'll have impact on news as well.
So guys, I'm not saying anything, just watching and observing. $12.49.
So guys, I'm not doing anything right now, just washing your hands away. Still, it is possible we can go up from here. Still, we could be bullish from here. From here, yeah. In that case scenario, we have to wait for this 30-minute. Look at this 30-minute time frame. 1 o'clock. Should not have to go below this low if we have to go up. So no, so far it is not going up. I'm pretty much in concerned with this as well. We may not go up now. I'm not confident on the previous highs. It can go up now. Maybe we could just roll down to this range, then maybe later on, maybe new day opening or something. We go. So you have to believe this is not ideal trading session, guys. After 9:30, it's been a complete choppy session. Complete choppy session. So you have to try to avoid not to be trading. So you cannot say that there could have been a trade opportunity in here. I was leaning bearish when it invert this really gap and then it got this 5 minute time frame lower high. We have already disrupted this highs and this high. We can anticipate a trade in here for continuation toward this high, that high, that high. And then if you go to 1 minute time frame from here, when it invert these really gaps in here, you anticipate invert this really gap over our 5 minute time frame lower high, gone up invert 1 minute time frame really. This candle close you can buy, putting a surplus just below this low. For this high, maybe this high, these are as well. Hold a little bit. Then this is all. This could have been a trade. 93 to 93 300, which is not an ideal trade, but you're risking a very small amount. You're risking buying in here on this candle, just putting supply there, risking a very small amount. So that's why it can be a good buy. I was leaning bearish. I was like, give me high low. We'll be looking for all of those local lows, but they don't give me. So now I do think we will be coming down. Yeah. So yeah, while doing this, you know what, I can do a couple of more, way too more important. So now I'm anticipating still, I believe this is not the top. We have created this bearish divergence in here on a 5 minute time frame. I still believe this is not the top. This is our major low. If we do go down from here, failure to go down below this low, I will be anticipating a lower high toward the previous highs and this area as well. This is what it is. I'm looking for 93 500, 93 9600. We will see how it goes. Just watching and observing for now. It went down, so in that case scenario you should have to have alerts in here. Alerts in here as well. And meanwhile we can do something else. Be in a 5 minute time frame. Don't need this now. Let's anticipate all of those lows now. Yeah. So we can do something else now. I think so. I should have to finish this live stream, guys. Yeah. I'll be keeping an eye on charts. I'll have to do some other stuff, and then I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye. Tomorrow, yeah. Tomorrow will be the live stream.